Children, let us continue the chapter polynomial. Now let us start the exercise 5. The first main is use the suitable identities to find the following products. We have learnt many identities, and by using the suitable identity we can find the product here. First one, second one, third one are in the form of x plus a into x plus b. We can find the product of them by using the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And fourth and fifth are in the form of x square minus y square equals x plus y into x minus y, or x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. First term and second terms are same, but one factor is with the plus sign and the other factor is minus. So that is the product of sum and difference. Now let us take one by one. First one you take, that is x plus 4 into x plus 10. And this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b equals, the product is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now you write the product x plus 4 into x plus 10 equals, first term is x. In the place of x, x is there. So the square of the first term x square plus a plus b means sum of the second terms. In the first factor the second term is 4. In the second factor the second term is 10. So a plus b means 4 plus 10 x plus ab. A means here 4 and b is 10 equals x square plus 10 plus 4 is 14x plus 40. So the product of x plus 4 into x plus 10 is x square plus 14x plus 40. Second one. The second one is x plus 8 into x minus 10. X plus 8 into x minus 10. Now this is x plus 8 into x plus minus 10. You can write it as in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So you must write this in the form of x plus 8 into x plus of minus 10. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then you write x plus 8 into x plus minus 10, that equals the square of the first term x square plus a is 8 plus of minus 10 is 8 minus 10 into x plus ab. So x plus 8 into x minus 10 equals x square. 8 minus 10 is minus 2x plus here ab is, that is 8 into minus 10 you must write. Then 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. Now you take the third one. Third one is, that is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. You write 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5, and you write it in the form 3x plus 4 into 3x plus minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x plus of minus 5. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals square of the first term x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then you write 3x plus 4 into 3x plus of minus 5 equals square of the first term, that is 3x whole square plus a. The a is 4 here, that is second term of the first expression, and b is minus 5 equals x is 3x plus ab. Ab is 4 into minus 5. Then you write 3x whole square is 9x square and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3x. Then the product of 4 and minus 5 is minus 20. So it is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 equals 9x square minus 3x minus 20. The product of 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5 is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Fourth one is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Then this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. In the place of a there is y square and in the place of b 3 by 2 is there. So you write a plus b into a minus b, or you write x plus y into x minus y. A plus b into a minus b or x plus y into x minus y equals what? X plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. Here the two expressions are in the form of, first one is in the form x plus y and second one is in the form x minus y. First term and second terms are same, but one is the sum and other one is the difference. Now you write y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 equals y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. In the place of y, y square is, in the place of x, y square is there. In the place of y, 3 by 2 is there. So it is 3 by 2 whole square. Then y square whole square is y to the power of 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square is 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Therefore the product of y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2 is y to the power of 4 minus 9 by 4. Next one is fifth one, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x, and also it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b or x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x plus y minus y, or the first is minus and the next is sum. So you can express this as a product of x minus y into x plus y. So you write x minus y into x plus y equals x square minus y square, that is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x equals square of the first term, that is 3 square, minus square of the second term 2x whole square. So 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x, the product of 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x is 3 square 9 minus 4x square, 9 minus 4x square. The second main is evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. First one is 103 into 107, 103 into 107, 103 into 107. Now you can express this in the form of x plus a into x plus b, or here 103 is there, 107 is there, means you can express this as a product of 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. 100 plus 3 is 103, 100 plus 7, 100 plus 7. So you got it in the form of x plus a into x plus b. You know that x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 equals 100 square plus a. A is 3 and b is 7. In the place of a there is 3, in the place of b there is 7, into x. X is 100 plus a into b is 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Then you write 100 square. 100 square is 10,000. 100 is having 2 0. Its square is having 4 0. So it is 10,000. Plus 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 100, 1000. Plus 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. So you got 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21, that is 11,021. 11,021. So what is the product of 103 and 107? That is 11,021. Next you take the second one, 95 into 96. 95 into 96. Then you can express this as a product of 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6. Or you can express more easily 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. And also you can write it as in the form of x plus a into x plus b. 100 plus minus 5 and next one is 100 plus minus 4. One method. Or otherwise you can write it as 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. Then also you can do in the place of 100, here there is 90, and in the place of negative 5 there is plus 5. That also you can use. And 100 square you can get it the 100 square easily. So you can express this as a product of this one. Or if you want to express that in the form of 90 plus 5, you can also express that like this way. 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then it is 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. That equals 90 square plus a is 5 plus 6 into 90 plus ab 5 into 6. And 90 square, 9 square 81 and 2 zeros plus 5 plus 6, 11, 11 9s are 99, it is 990 plus 5 6 are 30. Then we find the sum of 8,100 plus 990 plus 30. Then it is 9 plus 3 12, 9 plus 2 11. So you will get 9,120. So the product of 90 into 96 is 9,120. Then also you use the second method. Second method, that is 95 into 96. You can express as 100 minus 5 into 100. 96 is 100 minus 4. Then you will get 100 plus of minus 5, one factor and one expression, and 100 plus of minus 4, second one. Then you use the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So you write 100 plus minus 5 into 100 plus minus 4, that equals x square is 100 square plus a is minus 5 and minus 4 into 100 and plus minus 5 into minus 4. So that is 95 into 96 equals 100 square is 10,000 that is 100 into 100, it will have 4 zeros in front of 1, and sum of minus 5 and minus 9 is minus 9, minus 5 and minus 4 is minus 9, so minus 9 into 100 is 900. And the product of minus 5 and minus 4, 5 4s are 20, then it is positive 20 as both of them are having negative sign, same sign. Then you find the sum of these two. 10,000 plus 20 is 10,020 and minus 900. You will get 20 and 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 is remaining. So you will get 9,120. 95 into 96 equals 9,120. Next, third one, you take 104, that is the third one, 104 into 96. Then it is 100 plus 4, 104, and 96 is 100 minus 4. You got in the form of x plus y into x minus y. X is 100 and y is 4. So you write x plus y into x minus y equals what? X square minus y square. Then you write 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4 equals 100 square minus 4 square. In the place of x there is 100, in the place of y 4 is there. So 100 square is, that is 10,000. 100 into 100 minus 4 square is 16. 4 into 4. You subtract 16 by 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 16. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 is remaining. 9 is remaining. So 104 into 96 equals what? 9,984. Now come to the third main. Factorize the following by using appropriate identities. First one is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Second, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Third one, x square minus y square by 100. See the first one, 9x square, it is a perfect square, it is a square of 3x. Third term, y square is also perfect square. And the first term is in the form of x square and the third term is in the form of y square. And the middle term must be in the form of 2x square. So you will have 2 into 3x into y. So actually it is a expansion of the form x square plus 2xy plus y square, which is the expansion of x plus y the whole square. So let us have one by one. First one, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now you write equals, this is 3x whole square, and write this is y square plus 2 into first term 3x and into y. 2 into 3x into y is 6xy. So this is in the form of 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square, which is in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square. So you write x square plus 2xy plus y square equals what? X plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy plus y square is the expansion of x plus y whole square. Then 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square is the expansion of 3x and y whole square. So you can write in the place of x, 3x is there, 3x plus y whole square. So you can write 9x square plus 6xy plus y square equals what? 3x plus y into 3x plus y. So the factors are, here we have to factorize it. Factors are 3x plus y into 3x plus y. And you take the second one. What is the second one? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. And this is also in the form of, observe the terms here. First one is 2y whole square. It is a perfect square. Third term is 1 means 1 square. And middle term, it is 4y. That is nothing but 2 into first term 2y into second term 1. Again, this is in the form of x square minus 2 into xy plus y square. So this is the expansion of the form x square minus 2xy plus y square. So you write x square minus 2xy plus y square is the expansion of what? X minus y whole square. X square minus 2xy plus y square is the expansion of x minus y the whole square. So you write 4y square minus 4y plus 1 equals, you write that only, what? 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square equals what? In the place of x, 2y is there, and in the place of y, 1 is there, that is minus 1 whole square. X minus y means 2y minus 1 whole square. So that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1 equals 2y minus 1, one factor, other factor is 2y minus 1. Then the third one, x square minus y square by 100. Third one you write x square minus y square by 100. And you can express this in the form of x square minus y by 10 whole square. Y square by 100 is the square of y by 10. And it is in the form of x square minus y square, which is a product of x plus y into x minus y. The factors of x square minus y square are x plus y into x minus y. So you write x square minus y square equals what? X plus y into x minus y, or you can write x minus y into x plus y. Then you write x square minus y by 10 whole square equals, in the place of x, x is there, plus second term is in the place of y, there is y by 10 into x minus y by 10. X plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. In this way you factorized the first one 9x square plus 6xy plus y square, second one 4y square minus 4y plus 1, third one x square minus y square by 100 by using the suitable identities. Fourth main, expand each of the following using suitable identities. The first one is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, 2x minus y plus z whole square, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square, 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. All these are in the form of x plus y plus z the whole square, that is in the form of square of the trinomial. You know the expansion of the square of the trinomial, that is x plus y plus z the whole square. X plus y plus z whole square equals 6 terms are there. They are x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. By using that identity, let us expand the square of all these. Now let us take one by one. First one is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square, and if it is not in the form of x plus y plus z the whole square, you must bring that to the form of x plus y plus z the whole square. Now you write the identity x plus y plus z whole square equals, with the expansion, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now write x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. In the place of x, x is there. In the place of y, 2y is there. In the place of z, 4z is there. So you write x square, that is x square only, plus y square is 2y whole square, z is 4z whole square. Fourth term is 2xy, that is 2 into first term x into second term y, that is 2y, plus fifth term is 2yz, 2 into second term 2y into third term 4z, plus sixth term is 2 into third term 4z into first term x. Now you write equals x square plus 2y whole square is 4y square plus 4z whole square is 4 square is 16, 16z square plus 2x into 2y, 4xy, 2 to the 4 xy plus 2 into 2y into 4z, 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16yz plus 2 4 the 8, 8zx. You got the expansion of x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Then you take the second one, 2x minus y plus z whole square. 2x minus y plus z whole square. And you write it in the standard form, 2x plus minus y plus z. You must express this in the form of a plus x plus y plus z whole square. Then you write x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square. Square of the first term, square of the second term, square of the third term. Next one is 2 into first term into second term, 2xy. Next 2yz, 2 into second term into third term plus 2zx, 2 into third term into first term. Then you write 2x plus minus y plus z whole square equals, x square is 2x whole square, y square minus y whole square plus z square only, plus 2 into first term 2x into second term minus y plus 2 into second term minus y into third term z plus last term is 2 into third term z into x, means the first term 2x. Then 2x minus y plus z whole square is, 2x the whole square is 4x square, 2 square is 4, so it is 2x the whole square is 4x square, minus y the whole square is plus y square, z square is z square only, and the product of 2x and minus y is 2 to the 4 minus 4xy, and the product of 2 minus y and z is minus 2yz, and the product of 2z and 2x, that is plus 4zx. You got the expansion of 2x minus y plus z whole square. Next you take the third one. Third one is 2x plus minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. And use the identity minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Write the identity x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, and in the place of x minus 2x is there, in the place of y 3y is there, in the place of z 2z is there. Whole square of this equals square of the first term, that is 2x minus 2x whole square, square of the second term, that is y square, that is 3y whole square, plus z, in the place of z 2z is there, z square, that is the square of the third term, 2z whole square, plus 2 into first term minus 2x into 3y, plus 2 into y, that is 3y into z is 2z, plus the last term is 2zx, that is 2 into z is 2z and x is minus 2x, then it is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square equals minus 2x whole square is 4x square, 3y whole square is plus 9y square, 2z whole square is plus 4z square, and 2 into minus 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 12xy, and then 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, plus 12yz, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is minus 8zx. Next you take the fourth one. Fourth one is 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Then you write it in the standard form, 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c whole square. Then write the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2zx, 2xy 2yz plus 2zx. Now you write 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c whole square equals x square, that is 3a whole square, y square, that is minus 7b whole square, z square minus c whole square, plus 2 into x is 3a, y is minus 7b, plus 2 into y is minus 7b into z is minus c, plus 2 into z is minus c and x is 3a. You write 3a whole square, 9a square, and minus 7b whole square is 49 plus 49b square, minus c whole square is plus c square, and 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42, minus 42ab, and 2 7 is 14 plus 14bc, and 2 3 is 6, 6ca minus 6ca, then it is 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c whole square. Next one is fifth one, that is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, and write it in the standard form, minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square, and write the expansion of x plus y plus z the whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then you write minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square equals what? The square of the first term, that is minus 2x whole square, square of the second term 5y whole square, square of the third term minus 3z whole square. Then plus 2 into minus 2x into 5y, that is 2xy, first term into second term, plus 2 into second term into third term 5y into minus 3z. Next 2 into third term minus 3z into minus 2x. Minus 2x. So you got minus 2x the whole square is 4x square plus 25y square plus minus 3z whole square is 9z square, and the product of 2 minus 2 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, that is minus 20 xy. Then plus 2 into 5 into minus 3, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, and negative 30, minus 3 is there, this is minus 30 yz. And the product of 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 2 negative signs are there, it is 12, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, zx. Got the expansion minus 2x plus 5y plus 5y minus 3z whole square expansion. Then the last one, sixth one. Next one is 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. And you write it in the standard form, 1 by 4a plus minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Then you write the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square equals. Write the expansion, it is square of the first term x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then you write 1 by 4a plus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square, that is x square is 1 by 4a whole square, y is minus 1 by 2b whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into first term into second term, 1 by 4a into minus 1 by 2b plus 2 into minus 1 by 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a. Then you write 1 by 4a whole square is a square by 16. A square by 16. 4 square is 16. A square is a square. 1 by minus 1 by 2 b whole square is plus b by 4 or 1 by 4 b square. B square by 4 plus 1 and 2 2s are 4. Then you will get AB plus AB. Here minus 1 by 2 is there, so you must write minus AB by 4. Then 2 into minus 1 by 2 into B, 2 2 cancels, minus 1b into 1 minus b. Then 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so plus 1 by 2a or plus a by 2. Plus a by 2. You got the result.